way the junior mining works is, very small companies wind up going public because that's sort of the traditional financing structure that you have in Canada and Australia. And the share price often reflects not so much the quality of the asset, but just very thinly traded volumes very often, and it's very much news flow driven. So you can have a perfectly good project, and maybe management promised more than they could deliver, and investors soured. So you have just a whole ton of selling, and to the point where it becomes a bargain basement price. And then it becomes really interesting to look at it and see if you can recapitalize the company if the market's lost faith. You probably at that point need to bring in some new faces to make sure the company has the right direction and can sort of win confidence again. But absolutely, I mean, I think if you look at the sub 30 million market cap space in junior mining, you find some absolutely fantastic opportunities, especially now in what's been a pretty brutal market. Absolutely. I think, if anything, that's probably the best place to look for things because, there's no shortage of good geologists and engineers in mining, but there is a shortage of people that really know how to structure a company, promote the story, and keep capital market expectations in sync with what they can deliver. And very, very, very frequently, when you see companies getting punished by the marketplace, it's not necessarily an indictment of the asset, but it's an indictment of the management team or maybe the expectations that they set. And that's something that can be fixed.